Everyone, so this is the weekly analysis, and this is what I am currently seeing in the market. This is what the dollar index is currently doing. Let's do a quick top down for the dollar index. You come from the weekly time frame, you agree with me that the dollar index is still bearish, okay, though it's retracing bullish. You come to the 24-hour time frame, you will see that it is retracing bullish, but it's still on the bearish move. You go to the 4-hour time frame and you will see that it is still bearish but bullish retracement. Okay, now you can trade the dollar index as bearish, or you can trade it as the bullish retracement. Okay, but bearing in mind that from the higher time frame it's on a bearish trend. So if you're on a bearish trend, then you know that you are not counter trading. Look at it now. If you look at it from the 4-hour time frame, you'll see that it took out this structure and gave this massive move. So until price takes out this previous high here, then it is still on a bearish move. So this DXY can actually come into a discount region around here and decide to go down. So it's retracing bullish, but it's going to be more massively moving on the bearish direction. So you can go short with DXY on the bullish side, but long on the bearish side once there is a bearish confirmation. I've told you, ensure you have an A setup. If you have found, like, take for instance what I'm saying here, I'm saying that what price has done here is that it has taken out this structure and this structure, so automatically DXY will go bullish at least up to this liquidity side. I will be, first of all, at the opening of the market, if I find any bearish confirmation on GU like what I'm seeing right now, I can go bearish on GU from here to this point, okay, or that liquidity might not hold because it's looking very small. I'll go down to another downside liquidity, which it's okay, just somewhere around here, okay, which is not much of a pips. Okay, that's what I may be doing with GU at the opening of the market, but that is for the short. Once I get a bullish confirmation for GU, knowing that GU is on the bullish side, let's do that top down quickly. Let's go straight to the 1 week time frame. You can see it is bullish but retracing bearish. You go to the 24-hour time frame, you can see it is bullish but retracing bearish. You go to the 4-hour time frame and you see it is still bullish but retracing bearish. So in that case, for the bears move I can go on shorts, but for the bull move I can go on long. Once I have a bullish confirmation on GU, as well as on the opposite, being that the dollar index is directly proportional to GU, I will automatically be taking my entry. Now make sure you stick to A setups. With what's going on in the market, stick to A setups. Until you see these things, please do not trade. You must not trade every day, you must not trade every week. Please do not trade. It is better that you're protecting your capital than you are taking entries you're not sure of and you are hitting stop loss separately. So these are some of the things, some of the updates that I wanted to take note of. This is the entry I told you to take on GJ. Okay, hold this until the market opens next week. Let's see if GJ will come to this level, because it has given what I expected. I was expecting GJ to give me this trend, and you can see it has obeyed that trend at least for some time. I expect it to fill up this liquidity at least up to this side before giving another move. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on GJ. On EJ, you see that the difference is not very much, but I will not buy from this point because this is a premium zone. I'll wait for price to get into a discount zone before I begin to look at that. I already told you that I'm going to be avoiding pairs that are correlated to the dollar. Okay, not that I'm not going to be trading them at all, because GU still stands my best pair, okay, to trade. But because it is being traded with the dollar, and the dollar is heavily being manipulated, I'll pay more attention to GBP JPY and Euro JPY in this coming week. Okay, take note of that, than GBP USD or Euro USD, so that we can get entries. Okay, last week we didn't get any entry, so I don't want that repeating in the coming week. I want us to get entries so that we can be able to make some money. So watch out for the updates. I'm going to give you updates on silver if I find any entry. Okay, and people USDT, the crypto side, if I find an entry. Until then, make sure you